Hello guys, I'll be back. I'm still working hanging rice. And guys, we will enjoy our life while we're here in this world, in this life, and we will pray to God always. We work very hard every day, but when we pray, God will work. While we work and pray to God, God will work to us. This is my course again. My 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 course, hanging rice, industrial. This is no limit, no retirement. This work, this is the work that I will spend. I will spend to my grandchildren. My salary here, daily in my life, I will be a good grandmother in my grandchildren. It's hard for me to to study in my grandchildren because I have okay. I don't know what I cannot speak English very well, my guys. If you don't mind, sorry. I can speak English very well. I have an English here inside my pocket in a little bit honey. I speak in English in simple ways, my guys, I want to be happy every day. I'm 62 years old, but I want to be happy in my life.